Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to make this new favorite flicker I just designed. It's the tic-tac-toe flicker, and this is how it flies. Whoa! And special for my members only, I'm going to teach this a simpler variation I made. It's from the same base, but it's 4 arrows going in 4 directions. And this is how this one flies. Oh yeah! So you gotta be a member. And to become a member, find that join button. It's only about $5 per month, and you'll get access to that model and a bunch of other members-only tutorials. Alright, on with the tic-tac-toe flicker. Here we go. Okay, so for this video, I'm going to use a 6-inch square of kami. So we'll begin with the white side up, and we're going to fold in half. We're making a pinwheel base. So fold in half both ways like this. If you already know how to make a pinwheel base, you can just pause the video and skip ahead to here, if you want. Alright, and fold to the center. And the short sides go to the center. Remember, if I'm going too fast, you can always pause the video and catch up. Okay. Now, we're going to fold diagonally in half and hold it firmly so the layers don't slide. And make this fold nice and strong. Alright, now when you unfold it, just separate the 2 corners like this. Okay, and if it gets kind of not perfect at the corner right there, you can fix it up if you want. Just align the edges perfectly. There you go, like that. And this one's fine. Okay, now we're going to fold in half diagonally the other way. And again, hold the layers down. So they do not slide. Oh. Uh-oh, wasn't... That wasn't exact. Okay, let's try that again. I'm looking at the viewfinder as I'm doing this, so it's a little bit harder for me. There we go. And just separate the 2 corners like this. And it got a little bit of out of place right there, so I'm going to fix that up. Okay, and that side's fine. Alright, now take the paper, pull it out. And same 3 more times. Oh, there's our dog. Looks like a dog. Okay, now what we're going to do is we're going to take this raw edge and fold it to the top. And it's not going to lie flat on the 2 sides. Okay, unfold. And now we're going to fold to the crease we just made. And it's not going to lie flat yet on the 2 sides. Okay, now what we're going to do is we're going to take this raw edge right here and we're going to fold it up over the edge. And you can flatten right there too. Okay, and it's not going to lie flat right there yet. Alright, and repeat on this side too. Just fold it up over the edge. Okay. And now we're going to repeat on this side. So, fold the raw edge to the top. Alright, and fold to the crease you just made. Remember, it's not going to lie flat on the 2 sides. Not yet. Okay, and then fold the edge over. You can unfold it. Really try and fold it over so you don't see much of a white line like that. I mean, there might be a little bit of a white line, but that's okay. Just do your best. Okay, unfold. And now comes a kind of tricky step. we're going to do is we're going to kind of outside reverse fold these corners here. So we're going to flip it inside out. So just kind of open here, just enough so you can flip it inside out. And you just want to invert that point in, like this. And it's going to crumple a little bit, and that's how they are. And you should get something like that. Okay. And just keep it like that for now, and we're going to do it, let's do it on this side next. So you want to open it up, and then just kind of invert that point. Okay. There we go. And now fold this down, like that. And then fold right on that crease. And we're actually extending it all the way across. And then it's going to flatten right there. Alright. And you can keep it like that for now. Oh, you can fold these down. Yeah. Okay, now we're going to outside reverse fold these two corners now. So the same thing. Open it up. Invert the corner. Alright, and right here too. Alright, and then fold these down so you can fold the raw edge up. And here we go. Alright, and then fold up like this. Okay, so this is the center of the tic-tac-toe. So now we're going to do is we're going to squash fold these four corners. So open here and squash. Like that. And you can fold this little flap either direction is fine. Just fold it to one direction. And same 3 more times. Squash and fold the flap over one direction. And then here too. And see, if you look closely, the tic-tac-toe is already taking shape. And we're almost done, by the way, too. Okay. And now we're going to do is, to keep these flaps down, we're going to take this little flap. Here, I'll zoom in for this. It's easiest to do it on a flat surface than in the air. Okay. We're going to fold this flap over the two edges. Like that. And flatten it really nicely. And remember, if you really want it to be flat, to make it fly better, you can put a piece of tape right there. But you know how I am. I don't really like using tape in origami, unless I really need to. Okay, and we're going to do that 3 more times. So take the flap and wrap it over the two edges. It really shouldn't come undone because it stays in there pretty strongly. Alright. And then here too. And here. And there's the tic-tac-toe. And if you just want a tic-tac-toe, then you're all finished. I know the only problem about this model is that this center part it's not the same color as the outside. But that's okay, it still looks like a tic-tac-toe, and I still think it looks really nice. But okay, let's, if you want it to be a flicker, turn over, and we have to kind of close these edges off. So turn over on this side, and just fold the edge up just a tad. About like this. We're just closing it off. And the same 3 more times. Okay, and let's kind of fix it off right here. So just unfold that. We just want it so it's rotationally symmetric. I don't really know if this makes it fly better or not, but I don't know. I'm just doing it just for the heck of it. There, it just looks better on this side. Even though we don't really need to look at this side, but yeah, still. That's just what I like to do. Okay, and there it is, the flicker. And just give it a little bit of curvature, so it'll give it a little lift when it flies. There we go, so it's kind of convex on this side and concave on this side. And there you go. So to flick it, you just hold it like this and flick right here. And if you want to fold something a bit simpler, if you're a member of my channel, you can try and fold this model next. It's 4 arrows going in all directions, all 4 directions. And this also flies like a flicker. And that video is for members only. Alright, let's see how this sucker flies. Oh yeah! We do it a few more times. That's a good flicker. I really like it. Ooh. I probably have to say this is probably my new favorite flicker I just designed. Because it looks really cool and it flies awesome. I mean, look at that, it just flies perfectly. So yeah, alright, hope you guys were able to fold that and enjoy flying it. And make sure you subscribe and let me know what you think. Alright, bye bye.